dear students, myself Gangadhar Solanke, and I welcome you all to the MCGM's virtual classroom. Today's our subject is geography, and the topic is local time and standard time. In the last session, you people already learnt about the local time. The time of a place as decided by the location of the sun in the sky is known as its local time. So to calculate the local time, we use sun or the shadows or the location of the sun in general. But when we talk about standard time, it is totally different than the local time. And to understand this, we'll just go for the locations of Mumbai and Kolkata. Here on the screen you can see that Mumbai is located at 73 degree east longitude and Kolkata is located at 88 degree east longitude. Now by using this given information, we have to find out the difference between the longitudes of these two cities, and which is not hard because we just have to subtract 73 from 88 and then we will get our answer. So to find out the difference between the longitudes of Mumbai and Kolkata, we will subtract 73 from 88 and there is our answer. The difference between the longitudes of Mumbai and Kolkata would be 15 degree. How much? 15 degree. मुंबई और कोलकाता इन दो शहरों के बीच जो लॉन्जिट्यूडनल डिफरेंस है दैट इज 15 degree. Now the next thing based on this, if the local time at Mumbai is 3 p.m. then what would be the local time at Kolkata? Now we have the longitudinal difference between these two cities, that is 15 degree. We have Mumbai's time, that is 3 p.m. and by using this we have to calculate time at Kolkata or local time at Kolkata. Now to do this, we know the thing that the local time increases by 4 minutes for every longitude. हर एक longitude के बाद जो local time increase होता है that is by 4 minutes. And we know the difference between the longitudes of Mumbai and Kolkata, which is 15 degree. So the time difference is equal to 15 into 4, which is 60 minutes. And we have to divide that 60 minutes by 60 minutes. And then our answer is 1 hour. So if it is 3 p.m. at Mumbai, then it would be 4 p.m. at Kolkata. So the difference between these two cities of local time is by 1 hour. But one more thing here we have to understand. Both Mumbai and Kolkata are located within India on different longitudes, and that is why their local times differ by an hour. But one more twist is there. If there are different local times within a country because of longitudinal differences, then there will be a lack of synchronization in the routine activities in the country. अलग अलग शहरों के अलग अलग जगहों के अगर अलग अलग लोकल टाइम कंसीडर किए जाएंगे तो हमारी डे टू डे रूटीन जो है वो डिस्टर्ब हो जाएगी. It will affect on the day-to-day business also, and that is why there is need of solution. There is need to overcome this problem, because if each one follows their local time differences, then it will create problem in carrying out our daily business. So to sort it out or to solve this problem, the local time at the longitude, which generally passes through the middle of the country, exactly from middle of the country, is considered to be the standard time for that country. And this standard time is used to all over the country. So here, one important thing about the line which passes through the middle of the country, एक ऐसी लाइन जो देश के exactly बीच में से जाएगी, वहां पर एक टाइम डिसाइड किया जाएगा, and that time is used to all over the country. This is now about the nation or country, but at international level, to facilitate this, world has been divided into 24 time zones, and these time zones have been created with reference to the prime meridian, which is there on the screen, you can see. Now if we talk about our country, India, if the difference between the longitudinal extent of the country is less than 1 or 2 hours, then only one standard time is considered for the country. अगर ये डिफरेंस 2 घंटों से ज़्यादा नहीं है, उससे कम है, तो एक ही स्टैंडर्ड टाइम तय किया जाएगा फॉर होल कंट्री. बट इफ इट इज मोर देन दैट, then one standard time is not enough to consider. So now we'll talk about the Indian Standard Time, which has been decided according to the 82 degree 30 minute east longitude. Again I am repeating, Indian Standard Time has been decided according to the 82 degree 30 minutes east longitude, which passes through Mirzapur, which is near Allahabad in Uttar Pradesh state. So this line decides the standard time of India, and the local time at this longitude has been selected as the standard time of the whole country. यहाँ पर जो टाइम हुआ होगा वही पूरे देश को फॉलो करना है. That is the standard time of India. When the sun is directly overhead on this longitude, then it is assumed that it is 12 noon everywhere in India. When the sun is directly overhead, exactly sun जब सर के ऊपर रहेगा यहाँ पर इस जगह पे, then it is 12 o'clock there, और वही टाइम पूरे इंडिया को फॉलो करना है. That is the standard time of India. Now by observing this figure, we have to answer the questions which are given in our textbook, and in this the first one is, considering longitudinal extent of India, how many longitudes with a difference of 1 degree can be drawn on the map? And the answer for this question is 29 longitudes. Next one, by how many minutes do two consecutive longitudes differ? That is of 4 minutes. Then the next one, what is the value of degree of longitude at Mirzapur? Just now we saw that, that is 82 degree 30 minutes. Next one, if it is 8 am at 82 degree 30 minute east, what would be the time in their clocks at the Jammu, Jaisalmer, Guwahati and Madurai? Now here the time will be the same everywhere because we follow or we consider Indian Standard Time as the time of 82 degree 30 minutes. Now this is about the Indian Standard Time. Now what about Universal Standard Time at international level? For an international coordination between countries, the local time at Greenwich in England is considered to be the international standard time, like Mirzapur in India, Greenwich for the world. The difference in the standard time of various countries is calculated with reference to Greenwich Mean Time. The Indian Standard Time is 5 hours 30 minutes ahead of Greenwich Mean Time. मतलब यूनिवर्सल स्टैंडर्ड टाइम जो है उससे हम 5.5 घंटे आगे है. We are ahead of 5 hours 30 minutes. So if it is 5 p.m. at Greenwich, then in India it would be 10:30 p.m. So this is what all about the local time, standard time and universal standard time. This is what is National Institute of Standard and Technology, an institute in the United States of America, has developed the most accurate clocks in the world. These clocks have to be adjusted by 1 second once in 20 million years. Then about India, the National Physical Laboratory of India at New Delhi gives services of accurate timekeeping. The clocks used here are accurate up to 1 lakh part of second, and such type of clocks are used or required for space research, artificial satellite launching. And then the images of Jantar Mantar. Maharaja Sawai Jai Singh II was the king of Jaipur, Rajasthan, who was a great astronomer, mathematician and architect. He built 5 astronomical observatories called Jantar Mantar at Ujjain, Varanasi, Jaipur, Delhi and Mathura. Even today also, one can know the exact time up to seconds through shadows here. So this was all about the local time and standard time. Thank you very much and take care. My dear students, this is all for today. Thank you very much. Stay home, stay safe, take care.